We do not catch fever due to lack of paracetamol in our body. High blood sugar or diabetes is not because you are short on metformin or sitagliptin in your blood. High cholesterol levels or high triglycerides level is not because of the deficiency of atorvastatin or fenofibrate in your body. High blood pressure does not mean your body is craving for amlodipine or telmisartan. Or fungal infections are not caused by lack of clotrimazole, and obesity is not lack of orlistat or semaglutide in your body. We need to understand that when it comes to metabolic disorders, medicines only control the symptoms. They do not solve the real problem. The key is to change what and how you eat. So let's understand what's really going wrong. To explain, let us understand it with an example. Our parents or people who are in between 60 to 75 years of age group did not grow up eating chaat, junk food, or fast food. Most of them have never stepped inside McDonald's or Pizza Hut. They do not crave for delicious Chinese food or roadside tasty vada pav. They eat only homemade food most of the time. But still, many of them suffer from diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or other metabolic health issues. What could be the reason behind? Because homemade food can also cause problems if we eat too much of the wrong things too often. The problem is excessive carbohydrate consumption on daily basis. Most people eat 4 times a day. Their typical day starts with morning tea and breakfast, followed by lunch, then evening tea and snacks, and the day ends with dinner. Oh, and sometimes people prefer a sweet dish or ice cream after lunch or dinner too. And what do we eat during these meals? The carb heavy foods like roti, rice, puri, bread, idli, paratha, poha, upma, etc. 70 to 80% of our food plate is filled with carbs only. The food items mentioned earlier are number one, low in protein and fiber, and protein and fiber are essential for balanced nutrition. Second one is they are high in starch, and starch quickly turns into glucose, which raises our blood sugar level. Number three is food is consumed too often, at least 4 times a day, putting constant pressure on insulin levels, and people experience frequent blood sugar rise and crash throughout the day. Over time, this leads to insulin resistance, a key cause of diabetes, high cholesterol, and other metabolic disorders. If we compare homemade food versus junk food, undoubtedly junk food is bad for health. But eating grain based homemade food too often in large amounts every day can be just as harmful or even worse than junk food. So, what could be the solution? Eat fewer carbs and combine them with more protein and fiber rich food. We need to eat more vegetables and less amount of rice and roti. We should include some proteins like lentils, eggs, paneer, or chicken in our every meal. We need to add soluble fiber rich food to slow down our digestion and prevent sugar spikes. The unripe jackfruit powder helps in that. Medicines cannot fix metabolic disorders, but good food choices will definitely solve these issues. We need to just start. Let us start small, but start today. Our diet can heal our metabolic disorders. Thank you.